Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 30, 2024 to January 5, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. Comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. And salamat sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. God bless you. Thank you for showing your support. Ayan. It really helps the channel to grow. Thank you, Aries. So, let's begin. For you, Aries, this week, what's up? What's up for Aries? Peace. Oh. Peace of mind. Poised. I think ngayon, Aries, umiiwas muna kayo sa gulo. Umiiwas na kayo sa drama ng buhay. Umiiwas kayo sa toxicity. Gusto nyo ng katahimikan. Oo. At nagpo-focus ka sa sarili mo. Naayos mo yung sarili mo. You are developing yourself, the way you present yourself to the world. Maaring inaayos mo yung pananamit mo, yung physical looks mo, yung iyong styling. Kumbaga pagkakaroon ng tahimik na buhay. And at the same time, you also gusto mo rin na parang i-push yung sarili mo sa iba pang kaya mong gawin. You're taking some risks. I think you will also try to experience yung mga bagay na matagal mo nang iniiwasan kasi natatakot kang gawin. Pero sa totoo lang, this will give you a sense of freedom. Kasi na-realize mo na, kaya ko palang gawin to. Hindi pala ako limited. Isip ko lang pala yung naglilimita sa akin. Let's see what else, Aries. Okay, you have the Sun. Wow, you have the Magician. Ang ganda kasi the Sun is about confidence, no? You're very confident sa sarili mo. Magician is about your talents and skills. Alam mo kung ano yung abilities mo eh. Yeah. Alam mo yung kakayanan mo. And you are tapping to that. You are tapping into your abilities, your skill set, your talents. There's a new experience for you. Grabe pansinin nyo, talagang nandun kayo sa edge ng cliff. It's like freeing yourself for a new experience. Yes. May bagong experience for you. Something na magli-lead sa new beginnings, new opportunities. Wow, 9 of Pentacles, financial stability. Oh my God, Aries, ang ganda ng energies for you. You have the Queen of Pentacles, which is stability ng finances mo. You have the resources that you need. If you are single, talagang mas lalong magiging maganda ang takbo ng buhay mo because masasabi mo na hindi mo kailangang umasa sa ibang tao dahil you can do things on your own. If you are may family ka na, may mga anak, you can definitely provide for your kids. You have this nurturing energy in terms of yung ano yung pangangailangan ng family mo, material things. You have the 7 of Cups. There's some sort of confusion in terms of yung mga gusto mong subukan. Pwede kasing yes, you want to try new things, pero mahirap naman pag sabay-sabay silang available para sa'yo. So, piliin mo lang dyan kung saan ka mas interesado, kung saan sa tingin mo mas in alignment sa current feelings mo ngayon. Let's say you want to try bungee jumping, zip lining, ano pa ba, anything, skydiving. So, it's like nagkaroon ka ng lakas, like inner strength, lakas ng loob for new beginnings. Lakas ng loob para magtiwala sa kakayanan mo. Kasi yung iba sa inyo maaring alam niyo sa sarili niyo that you are talented, you have a lot of skills, you can do a lot of things. Kaya lang yung ibang tao ang hindi confident sa'yo. O minsan, parang yun yung naglilimit sa'yo na walang tiwala sa'yo yung iba. Pero alam mo sa sarili mo, kaya mo. So, hindi mo napapansinin yung yung iniisip ng ibang tao sa'yo. As long as you believe in yourself. Some of you are entering a contract. So, pwedeng this is a contract sa work, sa trabaho, or can be a relationship. Para sa iba, especially if you're single, quick action, wish granted. Uy, meron kayong wish na matutupad. Yung iba sa inyo, this is about healing your inner child. Maaring may mga experiences ka na gagawin ngayon na hindi mo nagawa nung bata ka and you want to experience it now. So, you will do it. You will also experience yung mga kasosyalan. Oo, anything na social para sa'yo. It's like anything luxurious. So, pwedeng you will check in sa isang 5-star, 6-star na hotel or kakain ka sa isang Michelin restaurant, things like that. Okay? So, you will also continue your learning. So, yung iba sa inyo dyan na gustong mag-aral, tapos medyo na-set aside nyo yon nung mga nakaraan dahil may iba kayong priorities. So, you will continue learning. Pwede rin pwede tong sa traditional na school, enrollment, ganyan. Or, it's like giving time para sa sarili mo to explore, to learn new things. Oo. Kasi meron kang may minamaster ka na skills, talents. Anong talents yan? Money, career, finances. Yung iba sa inyo may talent sa writing, content creation. Your words are very powerful to influence other people. So, I think meron ka ng target dito. Meron kang bibigyan ng focus na yun yung goal mo. And you will do your best na makuha yung goal mo na yan. You will overcome your fear of failure para gawin na talaga. Sa relationship naman, you are letting go of codependency relationship. Yung parang sa'yo na lang lahat nakaasa. Or you will let go a toxic situation sa relationship mo. Whether this is friendship, romantic, sa family, that is not really giving you peace, no? Kasi nga, may peace of mind dito. Space, oh my God, oh. The quality of your life has more to do with what you remove from your life than what you add to it. Give yourself a gift of space. Kasi itong gift of space na to, this will bring in peace of mind sa'yo. The moment na tinanggal mo na yung mga toxic sa buhay mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Good luck and see you again.